CF and LCM of practice set 12 and question number 3 as well. Okay. So today we are going to learn about practice set 13 question number 2. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this we have seen how to find LCM, how to find HCF, how to find LCM, and we have seen practice set 12 how to divide, how to find HCF by division method and how to convert that numbers into its reduced form. Okay, now today we are going to learn about LCM of more numbers. Okay, LCM of more numbers. Wait. Okay, so now here practice set 13. Okay, so 12 and 15 is there, right? So first find the column. See, if we have to find HCF, you can, I have taught you two methods to find the HCF. First is this column method. Okay, here you have to make columns and take the numbers and then see the number at the unit place. Okay, and then after that, once you see the number at the unit place, okay, you have to find by which number it will be divided. Like for example here 2, you can divide it by 2, 2 6 are 12 and here 15 remain as it is. Or else आप ये भी देख सकते हो इसका डिविजिबिलिटी कैसे चेक करते हैं. 2 + 1 3, तो 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 5 + 1 6, ये भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 15. Okay, you can find HCF by of this number see, wait a minute, like this 3 and 2, ये नंबर जो यहाँ पे 2 and 5 that will remain as it is. तो ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के नंबर है that will be your HCF. 3 2s are 6. और ये जो राइट हैंड साइड के नंबर है तो आप अगर पूरा लोगे 3 × 2 × 2 × 5 that will be your LCM. तो अगर आप ये मेथड से HCF LCM फाइंड आउट करते हो तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो प्राइम नंबर्स रहेंगे that will be your HCF. और आप अगर चारों नंबर यहाँ पे जितने भी प्राइम नंबर है उतने सारे प्राइम नंबर्स लोगे तो दैट विल बी योर LCM. बट फ्रॉम माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू it will feel confusing if you will take this left hand side number and then you will combine all these numbers. So better way, if you want to find HCF, so what you are going to do is, let me give you one example. So for example, if you want to take HCF of 12 and 15, so what you are going to do is 12 here. So first find the factors of 12. Okay. So how many factors are there? 2 6 are 12, right? Again 2 3s are 6, right? And here it will come 3 1s are 3. So how many factors are there of 12? 12 is equal to what? 12 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. These are the factors of 12. Now what are the factors of 15 then? If 15 are there, 15 is equal to, वैसे आपको 15 का निकालना है. See. So 15, take it separately. 15, okay. This method is used to find HCF. Okay, it will not create any confusion to find HCF and LCM. If you want to find LCM, then take it as common. Okay, and if you want to find HCF, then take it separately. Clear, everyone? Clear? This is my advice, that if you want to find HCF, then take 12 and 15 separately, factorize it, and then write down the factors. And if you want to factorize, if you want to find LCM, then take it as common. Okay. Now here 3 5s are 15, correct? Okay. Now here 5 cannot be divided by any other number, so it will be divided by 5 only, and here it will come 1. Once I got my 1, I will finish a further division. Okay, so what number here it will come? 3 multiply by 5. Okay, 3 multiply by 5. Okay, now which numbers are common? 3 is there in this number, 3 is there in this number. So what is our HCF then? We will take the common number, right? So our HCF will be HCF is equal to what? HCF is equal to what? It is equal to 3. It is equal to 3. Okay, but if we want to find LCM, you can use this method also to find LCM. पहले हमने common number लेना है. Okay, once we take the common number, other number will be right. Okay, so 3 we take the common number first, and then what are the other numbers? 2. Again here another number is 2. Okay, and then which other number is there? 5. Okay, so take it as 5. Okay, and then do multiplication. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 12 5s are 60. So our LCM will be what? 60. ठीक है, तो हमारा HCF जो रहेगा वो 3 रहेगा, और हमारा LCM जो रहेगा, तो हमको कॉमन फैक्टर्स भी लेना है, और इसके साथ जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स नहीं है वो भी हमको साथ में लेना है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 कॉमन है तो हमने 3 भी लिया, और अदर फैक्टर्स जैसे 2, 2 एंड 5 है वो भी हमने लेना है. तो 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 that is equal to 60. Understood everyone? Understood? So my advice to you is that if you want to find HCF, then take number separately and find HCF. If you want to find LCM, okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to take the number, जैसे 12 and 15 लिया, so 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 15. You can extend this step as 2 1s are 2, okay, and that 5 remain as it is. Again you make column, okay, see, and then here it will come 5, okay, 1 remain as it is, and this 5 1s are 5. So what are the numbers? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, right? So this is our LCM. This is our LCM, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so if you want to find HCF, then take 12, separately as well as 15 separately. Find the factors of 12 and find the factors of 15. Okay, and if you want to find LCM, you can use this method. Okay, take it in group and then divide it. Okay, and whatever the factors you will get is your LCM. Okay, so here 6, 8 and 10. Okay, let me share you whiteboard with you, okay, so that you will clearly understand the concept. Okay, wait a minute. Everyone, the screen is visible to you, everyone? Put tick on your participants. Okay, the screen is visible. Okay, good everyone. Okay, now the question is 6, 8 and 10, right? So if you want to find the LCM of 6, then 8 and then 10. 6, 8 and then 10. Okay, if you want to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. Now 6 is there, 8 is there, and 10 is there. So by which number you will divide it first? You will divide it first by 2. Let me check the chat box. Yes, very good. Before telling teacher, your answers are there. Very nice. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 8 can be divided with 2. Yes, so 2 4s are 8, and here 2 5s are 10, right? Now by which number we will divide it? We'll divide it again by 2 because 4 is there, no? So this 3 cannot be divided with 2, so 3 remain as it is, right? Now 4 can be divided with 2, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, now this 5 remain as it is. Okay, if you want to divide it further, you can divide it, otherwise you can remain this number as it is. Okay, so if you want to divide it, So divide it like this, 2, 3 cannot be divided with 2, so 3 remain as it is. Now 2 ones are 2 and this 5 remain as it is, right? Again this 3 will be divided with 3, okay? So 3 ones are 3, 1 and 5 cannot be divided with 3, so 5 remain as it is. And again you can divide this number further, so 1 you can divide it by 5 again, so 1 remain as it is, 1 remain as it is, and 5 ones are 5, right? So okay, so what will be the LCM of 6, 8 and 10? So LCM of 6, 8 and 10, what will be LCM of 6, 8 and 10? Okay, 6, then 8 and 10. What it will be? Do multiplication. 6, 8 and 10. LCM क्या होगा? So LCM of 6, 8 and 10 will be equal to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So that means it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 like this. But what it will be? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 into 5, what it will be? 24 into 5, what it will be? 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry, and then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 120. Sorry. Okay. So what it will be? It will be 120. Whatever doubt you have, please ask me in chat box. Okay. Yes, 120 is the answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. Everyone has given the answer. Very nice. Shubhi, Tanmay, Amman, Sakshi, Nimisha, Suryanshu, Riddhi, Sai, Dhananjay, Divisha, Dhananjay, Jay. Good. Good. 7A student as also. Yes. Om. Very nice. Sai, Sahil, Sumed, good everyone. Okay, that means you have understood well. Okay, okay. So give me thumbs up if you understood it properly. Show me thumbs up if you understood it properly. Okay, good. Okay, understood. Okay, I will explain it again. Okay, so 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 6, 8 and 10. 6 can be divided with 2. So 2 3s are 6. Wait a minute. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. ये तो आप सबको पता है, हमने यहाँ पे 2 क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि 6 भी 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 8 भी 2 से डिवाइड होता है और 10 भी 2 से डिवाइड होता है. ठीक है. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Right? Now अभी यहाँ पे 4 है, तो that's why we'll take it again 2. Now 2 2s are 4. Right? This 3 cannot be divided with 2, so it will comes down as it is. 2 2s are 4. Okay, and 5 remains as it is because 5 cannot be divided with 2. But this 2 can be divided with 2 again, right? So 2, 3 remain as it is, 2 ones are 2, 5 remain as it is. Again, this 3 cannot, 3 divided with 3, so 3 ones are 3, 1 remain as it is, 5 cannot be divided with 3. Now again, I will divide this 5 by 5. Okay, so all ones will be there. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 will be of HCF. So if we multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Understood everyone? But if you want to find the HCF of 6, 8 and 10, so what you are going to do? Take it separately. ठीक है, 6 का फैक्टर सेपरेटली निकालो, 8 का निकालो और 10 का निकालो, and then take the common numbers and then find the HCF. Okay, so when we have to find the HCF, take it as common Okay, yes, 3 will be the HCF. Correct, correct. Very good. Very good. I have not told you that take out HCF also, but you have done it. Very good. Very appreciate 7th standard students. Very nice. Very well doing maths. Very good. Okay, its HCF is 3. Very well done. Okay, so let's move to the another sum. Okay. We'll again go back to our presentation. Okay. Okay. So next sum is 45 and 86. 45 and 86. Okay, so what we are going to do here? Okay, what we are going to do here? See, 45 is there and 86 is there, right? But if the number at the number unit place of any number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, so that means we divide it by 2. So 45 remain as it is, as 5 is there at the unit place, so it cannot be divided by 2 at all, right? But this 6 can be, this 86 can be divided by 2. So 45 comes down. Now we divide 86 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, right? Now this 45 and 43, both the numbers cannot be divided by 2, correct? These two numbers cannot be divided by 2. So what we are going to do then? We'll check the divisibility of 3. Okay, how we are going to do check, how we are going to check the divisibility of 3? So 4 plus 5 is 9. If we add the number, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 can be divided by 3. So this number can be divided with 3. Okay. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. But 7 cannot be divided by 3. So 45 can be divided by 3. So we divide this 45 by 3. So 15 3s are 45. Okay. That 43 comes down. All right. Now 15 again can be divided with 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 43 remain as it is. Because 43 is prime number. So it will not be divided by any other number. So what would be our LCM? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43. No need to divide it by 5 again and by 43 again. आपका अगर यहाँ पे भी प्राइम नंबर आता है और यहाँ पे भी प्राइम नंबर आता है तो आपको ये सारे प्राइम नंबर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड के लेने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी दिस 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43, ये सारे नंबर आपको लेने हैं. ठीक है, एलसीएम में. और अगर आपको वो सेपरेटली करना नहीं है एचसीएफ और कॉमनली करना है तो ये राइट हैंड साइड के जो नंबर है ना वो नहीं आएंगे, यहाँ तक ही आपका एचसीएफ आएगा. सी अगर आपको मैंने यहाँ तक बोला था कि मैं अगर बोलती थी कि फाइंड आउट द एचसीएफ ऑफ 45 and 86, so your answer will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that's it. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर प्राइम नंबर है और यहाँ पे भी प्राइम नंबर है, सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के जो नंबर है ना दैट विल बी योर एचसीएफ. And if you take all these numbers, that will be your LCM. This is another method to find HCF and LCM. So in LCM, we will see this is only this method. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43. All right. And if we want to find HCF, then we'll do 2 into 3 into 3 only. Okay. But better way, do separately. Okay, do separately this number factorization, because there will no doubt and no any confusion and no any mistake will happen. ठीक है, so this will be our LCM. So if we multiply this 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90 and 90 into 43, 3870, 3870. 15, 30 and 90. So 3 5s are 15, 3 10s are 30, 3 30s are 90. यहाँ पे हमने 2 का डिवीजन नहीं किया है, अगर नहीं भी किया है तो then it's also okay. ठीक है, हम वापस से दूसरे नंबर का भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे फिर 5 है, 10 है, 30 है, तो तीनों नंबर का डिवीजन 5 से होता है. सो 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 6s are 30, right? Now here 2 is there and 6 is there. So both the numbers are divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2. Sorry. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Done. Okay. So The LCM is what? 3 into 5 into 2 into this 3. Okay. So 3 into 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 3s are 90. So our LCM is what? 90. Clear everyone? HCF and LCM, how to find it? If you want to find HCF, then take the number separately, do factorization and take common number, that will be your HCF. And if you want to find LCM, then what you are going to do is, okay, take the group of number and do division, okay, by this method, okay, and then take all the numbers of here and multiply. That would be your LCM. Understood? Okay. Understood everyone? Understood? Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. Very, very good students. I am getting a nice response from yours. Okay. Let's move. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. So that means HCF and LCM has been cleared right now. Okay. So if you want to find HCF, take numbers separately. Do factorization, take common number, that would be your HCF. If you want to find LCM, take collect the numbers and take division of the numbers, and that will be your LCM. Okay. Now, if find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below, verify that numbers. Okay. So here find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below, verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. Now 32. Okay. Am I audible to everyone? If yes, please let me know in your chat box. My voice is clear to you? My voice is clear to you? Let me know in your chat box. Good. Okay. Okay. Some network issue is there. So that's why I'm asking to you. Good. Good everyone. Okay. Okay. Now the question is, find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below and find their product is equal to the product of given number. Nothing is that in this question. Okay. See, what we are going to do is we find the factors of 32. हमको ना factors find out करना है 32 के. Like for example, see, we'll find the factors of 32. Okay. Now 32 is there. So what will be the factor? 2 है यूनिट प्लेस में, सो हम डिवाइड करेंगे 32 को 2 से. 2 16s are 32. Now here it will come 2 8s are 16. Correct. Now here again it will come, sorry, 2. Now here it will come 2 4s are 8. Again here it will come 2 2s are 4, right? And then it will come 2 1s are 2, right? So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Correct. Now 37 के अगर हम लोग factors निकालते हैं, so 37 is the prime number. So it will be divided by that number only. So 37 ones are 37. Okay. So what are the factors? 37 के factors कौन से? 1 into 37. Okay. So is there any common number between 32 and 37? Please let me know in chat box. Is there any common numbers between 32 and 37? No, absolutely correct. Okay, absolutely correct. No common number is there in 32 and 37. So what will be the HCF then? If no common number is there in two number, we will take HCF as 1. We'll take HCF as 1 because no common numbers are there, right? So हमारा HCF क्या रहेगा? 1. Correct. Very good. Okay. Now what will be the LCM then? We multiply all the numbers, right? For LCM, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, or ये remaining 37, right? So 32 into 37 will be our LCM, right? Which is equal to what? 1184. ओके, नाउ वेरीफाई करना है हमको कि HCF और LCM का जो प्रोडक्ट है, मींस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हम अगर HCF और LCM दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट आया है HCF और LCM का वो सेम आना चाहिए. ठीक है, कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या आया है, हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या HCF का 1, ओके, और LCM का प्रोडक्ट क्या है 1184. whatever the what is the product of HCF of us 1 and 1184 is LCM. So if we multiply this 1 into 1184 is equal to what? 1184. 1184, right? And what are the numbers? What are the numbers? 32 and 37. Okay, so product of the numbers. What are the number? Product of the product means what? Multiplication. Product means what? Multiplication. So multiplication of the numbers. What are the numbers? 32 and 37 is equal to what? 1184. So HCF into LCM is also equal to 1184 and 32 into 37 is also equal to what? 1184. That means what? Our answer is correct. The question, please listen the question carefully, understand it. What the question is, what is the question? Find the HCF and LCM that we have find it, right? We have found it, HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Verify that their product, किसका product? HCF और LCM का. HCF और LCM का अगर हम लोग multiplication करते हैं, okay? If we multiply HCF and LCM, so their product is equal to the product of the given number. Given number मतलब जो number हमको दिए हैं 32 और 37 उनका multiplication और same आना चाहिए. So that will be our answer. That will be our verification. Okay. So we found first HCF, then we found LCM, then we multiply HCF and LCM because we have to find the product. Product means multiplication. Okay. Now HCF into LCM is equal to HCF था हमारा 1, 1184 हमारा LCM था, and the answer we got is 1184. Right. Now product of the numbers 32 into 37 we got 1184. Understood? Clear everyone? Again I repeat this, please pay attention now. Okay. See 32, the factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? यहाँ तक समझा है? Then 37 के factors कितने हैं? 1 into 37. Okay. Now HCF, no common number is there. That's why HCF is what? 1. Right? Now LCM is equal to what? This 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 37, which is equal to 1184. Okay. So our HCF is 1 and our LCM is 1184. The question is what? The product of HCF and LCM will be equal to product of the numbers. Okay. So product means multiplication. So if we multiply our HCF by LCM, so our HCF is 1 and our LCM is 1184. So what answer will get? 1184 because 1184 into 1 is equal to 1184. Right? Now product of the given numbers means what? 32 into 37. अगर हम करते हैं तो हमको आंसर मिलता है 1184. That means our answer is correct. Understood everyone? Clear? We'll see another problem also. Okay. Wait. Now 15 into 60. See this problem. 15 into 60. Okay. So 15 into 60. Let's find the factors of 15 first. 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 will be the factors. 60 अगर हम लोग करते हैं तो 3 into यहाँ पे 2 into 2 आएगा. ठीक है. 2 2s are 4 into 5. What are the common factors? Let me make you understand this. Okay. So see, what are the factors of 15? 3 5s are 15, right? Sorry, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so what are the factors of 15? 3 into 5. Okay, sorry, factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Now if you want to find the factors of 60, then what it will be? So it will be divided by 2 first, right? So 2, and here it will come 30, right? Here it will come 30. Now again it will be divided by 2 and it will come 2 15s are 30. Okay, and now here it will come 3 5s are 15, and here it will come 5 1s are 5, right? Here it will come 3, right? 3 5s are 15. Here it will come 5. Now what are the factors of 60? See, अगर हम 15 के factors लेते हैं, wait a minute. So 15 is equal to what? 15 is equal to 3 into 5, right? 3 multiply by 5. और अगर हम लोग 60 के factors देखते हैं, 60 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? Now what are the common number amongst these 3 and 5, right? 3 and 5. This 3 is this 3, okay? Sorry. Okay. So here it will come 3 and 5. Okay. So what are the common numbers? 3 and 5. यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है. तो हमारा HCF क्या होगा? 3 into 5, which is equal to what? 3 5s are 15, right? And what will be our LCM then? 3 into 5, common factors पहले लेंगे, and then 2 into 2, right? That means 4. So our LCM will be what? 3 4s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So what will be the product of HCF and LCM? Product of HCF and LCM is equal to 15 into 60, right? Which is equal to what? 15 zeros are 0 and 15 6s are 90, means 900. और अगर हम 15 into 60 करते हैं तो that will also 900. So therefore the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. Okay, you are noting down the sums, everyone? You are noting down the sums? Yes, Shraddha, I unmute you. What doubt you have? Please ask. Unmute yourself and ask me.
Nothing, teacher.
Nothing, but you raise your hand.
No, teacher, first, now I'm clear.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Wait a minute. Huh? So this is all about. Wait. Huh? Now here practice set 14. Here practice set 14. Okay. Here the revision is there in practice set 14. Find the HCF of 120 and 150. Okay. Sorry. Find the HCF and HCF of 120 and 150. What you are going to do is you find the factors of 120, find the factors of 150, take the common one and then tick the correct option. Okay. Then here the question is find the HCF of the pair of the numbers is not 1. कौन से pair का number जो common number 1 नहीं है? Okay, so I think 13 and 17 are prime numbers, so here the HCF will be 1. No common factors might be there. 29 and 20, here also no common factors are there, so it will be 1. Here also it will be 1. Only this pair I think so, where the common factors are more than 1, right? So the answer will be 40 and 20. Okay. Now this practice set 14 is just a revision of practice set 12 and 13. Okay, now here we have to find HCF and LCM of 14 and 28. Okay, so first find the factors of 14, then 28, then take common one, which is equal to 2 7s are 14. See, for example, we'll take 14. Okay, then we'll find the factors of 14. What it will be? 2 7s are 14. Okay, and it will come 7 1s are 7. So factors of 14 are 2 into 7, right? Then we will take the factors of 28. Okay, so here 28 के लिए हमको कौन से factor लगेंगे? Then 2 divided by 20, 28 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 7s are 14. Again 7 1s are 7. Correct. Now what are the factors of 28? 2 into 2 into 7. Correct. Now which are the common factors among these two? Which are the common factors among these two? This 2 is there in 14, this 2 is there in 28, this 7 is there in 14 and 7 is there in 28, right? So what are the common factors? 2 into 7. So HCF will be 14. Now we'll take, to find the LCM, what we'll do? We will take the common first, and what are the remaining one? ये 2. इसको किसी ने नहीं लिया, right? 2, ये 7, 2 और 7 दोनों में कॉमन है और 2 कॉमन नहीं है, तो ये हम वापस से लेंगे एलसीएम में. ठीक है, so 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So 28 will be our LCM. Understood everyone? Or else you can find it by column method. Okay, whatever, it's your choice how to find HCF and LCM, by column method or by this method. Okay, it's your choice. Now second sum is what? Second sum is 32. Okay, again you will do this column method, find the factors, write down it. Okay, again you'll find the factors and write down it. Take the common one. Okay, that will be your HCF, and other than common, take the common and other than common, that will be your LCM. Okay. Now find the LCM of the following that we have seen. Okay, how to find the LCM. Now question number 4 is, wait. Question number 4 is, find the smallest number. Okay, so this is all about HCF and LCM. Okay,